Hi, my name is Mackenzie Barry, and I am an academic coach at the Rutgers Learning Centers. And today we're going to be talking about WOOP. So have you ever set a goal for the semester and somewhere along the way you ran into an obstacle? And once you reached that obstacle, did your progress kind of falter a little bit? It's normal to reach obstacles, but what matters is what we do after that. So enter WOOP, a goal-setting strategy by Gabrielle Oettingen. WOOP helps you to anticipate those obstacles. So in other words, it's not a matter of if an obstacle will happen, it's a matter of when. WOOP helps us to strengthen our mental associations, gain energy to accomplish our goals, and also allows us to be more productive in our outcomes. So what is WOOP? WOOP stands for Wish, Outcome, Obstacle, and Plan. Wish is what we want to accomplish when we set that goal. Outcome is how are we going to feel after that goal is accomplished. Obstacle is what is going to get in the way of us trying to complete this goal. And plan. Plan takes that obstacle and the actionable item and puts it together so that when an obstacle happens, you are able to overcome it. So let's put it into practice. This student's wish was they wanted to attend all of their classes and complete all of their homework assignments. Their outcome was that they will feel in control of their academics and not feel anxious or guilty about falling behind. Their obstacle was their motivation. They either were tired or they procrastinated because they knew they had extra time before the deadlines that they had set before the assignment was due, and they just had other things that they would rather be doing. And their plan was, in an if-then statement form, if I feel like I am lacking motivation and want to skip class or delay starting my homework, then I will remember that I feel overwhelmed if I put things off, and I will commit to just starting. So I will either walk to class in that 10 minutes or start my homework for 10 minutes, just to build that momentum. Ready to take action and overcome your obstacles on your way to your goal? You don't have to hit a wall in order to implement WOOP. WOOP helps you to prepare. So let's plan for our obstacles together. Meet with an academic coach at the Rutgers Learning Centers today. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.